Scalp Micropigmentation, or SMP for short, is the newest and hottest hair loss solution on the market. In fact, SMP is the only hair loss remedy with instant and guaranteed results. Whether the client wants a natural faded hairline or a barber's lineup, SMP can be completely customized to the client's needs. First, we use the Norwood scale to determine how much hair loss the client has. Then, we draw the hairline as per the client's desired look. SMP can also be used to add density to thinning hair on both men and women. Next, using a specialized needle, we insert an all-natural pigment into the first layer of the skin. This resembles the realistic appearance of hair follicles. As you can see, the results are immediate. Each client will require 2 to 4 sessions at first, and their results should last up to 7 years. During each session, we add more and more density until we reach a point where the pigment blends into the native hair follicles seamlessly. This technique allows us to achieve an ultra-realistic look of a fuller, more dense head of hair. We see clients from all over the world embracing SMP as the top hair loss solution, giving them a sense of renewed confidence and a more youthful appearance. If you're interested in getting into the hottest hairline restoration industry on the market, you're in the right place. Here at Leaders Academy, we provide the highest level of education, hosted by some of the best master artists in the world. You'll get full knowledge of the world of SMP, including theory, application, hands-on techniques, the ability to work on live models, and a ton of tips and tricks on how to kill it in this industry.